Have you ever considered investing in real estate but felt overwhelmed by the high entry barriers and risks involved? Welcome to the expansive universe of investment, where the golden rule is diversification. By spreading your resources across various asset classes, you can mitigate risks and potentially enhance your returns. Now let's talk real estate. Traditionally, it's been a favored investment avenue, promising steady income and solid capital appreciation, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are considerable challenges to contend with. The high capital requirement, for starters, can be a daunting barrier to entry. Then, there's the constant worry of maintenance and the unpredictability of market risks. The potential return can sometimes seem overshadowed by the sheer magnitude of these hurdles. But what if there was a way to invest in real estate that didn't require a fortune and could mitigate these risks? Stay tuned, we're about to delve into a revolutionary approach that's changing the game for investors everywhere. Enter the world of real estate crowdfunding, a revolutionary way of investing in real estate. Picture this. A way to invest in high-value properties without the need to buy the entire building. This is the essence of real estate crowdfunding. It's a method that allows you to pool funds with multiple investors to collectively purchase a property. The beauty of this approach is the accessibility it offers. You don't need a fortune to get started. You can start investing with a modest sum and yet have a stake in a commercial property or a swanky apartment complex. Moreover, it's a hands-off investment. You won't have to worry about finding tenants, maintenance, or any of the traditional landlord headaches. Instead, a professional management company takes care of these details. So, you see, real estate crowdfunding offers a simplified and accessible route to the lucrative world of property investment. Now let's delve into a real-life example to see how this works in practice. Meet John Doe, an average investor like many of us, who decided to dip his toes into real estate crowdfunding. John, like many, began his investment journey with traditional routes, stocks, bonds, and occasional mutual funds. But he yearned for more, something that would offer greater returns without escalating the risk factor. That's when he stumbled upon real estate crowdfunding. John started with a modest investment equivalent to the price of a small family car. He carefully selected a platform that offered transparency and a wide range of projects to choose from. His strategy was simple yet effective. Diversify across different types of real estate projects, from residential properties to commercial and industrial ventures. In the beginning, John decided to invest in residential projects. He saw potential in a new development in his city, a high-rise apartment building promising a blend of luxury and affordability. He also ventured into a suburban housing project aimed at families seeking a peaceful environment away from the city's hustle and bustle. John then expanded his portfolio to include commercial and industrial properties. He invested in a promising office space development in the city's burgeoning business district and a state-of-the-art warehouse facility targeting e-commerce giants. Now you may wonder, how did John fare? Well, the results were nothing short of remarkable. The residential projects provided steady returns as the properties were quickly sold out. The commercial property, riding on the wave of the city's economic growth, became a hotbed for businesses, ensuring a consistent and lucrative rental income. The warehouse project too turned out to be a winner, with e-commerce companies lining up for space. In just a few years, John's initial investment nearly doubled. But the real triumph was not just in the impressive returns, it was the diversification that real estate crowdfunding offered. John was no longer tied to the volatile swings of the stock market. His investment was spread across different real estate sectors, reducing risks and providing a steady income flow. John's story is not unique. Thousands of investors are reaping the benefits of real estate crowdfunding. So, what makes real estate crowdfunding an attractive option for investors like you and me? Well, let's recap the key benefits we've discussed so far. Firstly, it lowers the capital requirement. You no longer need massive sums of money to step into the real estate market. Even small amounts can get you started. This democratizes the investment process, giving more people the opportunity to participate. Secondly, it offers diversification. With crowdfunding, you can spread your investments across various projects, reducing the risks associated with putting all your eggs in one basket. Thirdly, it's all about reduced risks. By investing in a pool of properties, you are effectively spreading the risk, which can lead to a more stable return on your investments. Fourth, the potential for high returns is very real. High-quality projects that were once only accessible to the wealthy are now within your reach. Finally, the ease of investing online makes the process straightforward and convenient. With real estate crowdfunding, the world of real estate investment is truly at your fingertips.